Are you wondering how to make a personal website that stands out? In today's video, I'll show you how to build a stunning personal website using the AI-powered Hostinger website builder, and it's a whole lot easier than you think. Before we learn how to make a personal website, let's talk about the why. A personal website acts as a place to showcase your professional accomplishments, skills, or even your personality. Think of it as an extended resume, but way more dynamic, which can be invaluable for job hunting, networking, and building a personal brand. With your own website, you're not just another profile on a social media platform, you're a brand. Having a solid online presence like this can lead to more business opportunities. Fortunately, creating a website is super easy thanks to Hostinger AI Website Builder. It's designed for speed, ease of use, and customization, making the whole process of building a website as smooth as it gets. The first step of creating a personal website is setting a clear goal, as knowing what you aim to achieve impacts every decision you make from here on out. Are you looking to generate traffic to boost brand awareness? You may also want a dedicated space to showcase your creative or professional work. Several factors impact the success rate of your website. First one being target audience. Knowing who you are trying to reach will help you better adapt your content, design, and even the functionality of your website. Are you targeting potential employers, freelance clients, or a general audience in your niche? Second, personal brand identity. Think about what makes you unique within your field. What are your skills, experiences, or perspectives that set you apart? Also, distinctive skills go hand in hand with your brand identity. If you're a freelance artist, make your creative style shine through. If you work professionally, focus on showcasing your expertise and experience. Giving these factors some thought will make the rest of the process a whole lot smoother. Remember these points as we move on to website creation. Buying a Hostinger web hosting plan will give you access to the AI-powered website builder tool. This package offers a free lifetime SSL certificate, unlimited bandwidth, free email hosting, and 1-year domain name registration. Head to the Hostinger website builder page by clicking the link in the description below. Hit claim deal, then add to cart to buy the premium web hosting plan and Hostinger website builder bundle. Choose the 48-month subscription to get the best deal alongside an additional 2 months free of charge. Next, create a Hostinger account by typing in your email address here or using a social login. Complete the necessary steps and scroll down to select your payment method. Don't forget to apply the coupon code WB10 for an extra 10% discount. Once your payment is confirmed, you'll be redirected to the initial onboarding page. Let's begin by clicking Start Now. Select Create a new website and choose Hostinger Builder with AI. You'll get to a page asking you to create a domain name. If you already have one, connect it by clicking Use an existing domain. If you don't, simply claim your 1-year free domain name by clicking Select. Enter your desired domain name here and choose an extension from the drop-down menu. Hit Search to check its availability. You can try an alternative name or change the extension if your desired domain name is taken. If you want to create a brand name, use our business name generator to help you generate some ideas. You'll find the link in the description below. You only need to enter relevant keywords matching your personal brand. The tool will generate some suggestions that you can use as your domain name. If you find something you like, use it as your new domain name and click Continue. Then hit Start Creating to build your personal website with AI. Fill in the business name you created earlier and choose Portfolio as the website type. Then describe your personal branding for the website in a few sentences. Our AI website builder will use it to generate original content tailored for you. The more descriptive you are, the better the results you'll get. Including your website creation goals in the description will bring you even better results. Ensure the description quality bar is green before clicking Create a Website. Wait while the AI finishes its magic and generates your personal websites. And that's it. Scroll through the AI-generated site to review its overall design. You should see the website editing to-do list on the left side of the page. It's here to help you navigate the website creation process. That said, if you have other preferences on the workflow, clicking the site checklist icon will hide this list. To change any text, image, or button, select the desired element to pop up these toolbar settings. Double-click if you want to customize the inside of each website container, such as changing its URL, font, color, or animation. For example, double-clicking on this headline text will show the text configuration settings. Go to the Website Styles menu to configure your site's global settings. Any changes you make to the colors, text, buttons, and animations will be applied to the entire site. Regarding website content creation, Hosting Your Website Builder also provides AI-based tools to help you out. Access them by clicking the AI Tools icon from the menu. You'll find the AI Logo Maker, which will help you create a unique brand logo. AI Writer tool can generate the first draft of any written content you want to make, while AI Heat Map will help you pick the most strategic places to display your website elements. You can add any page on the website using the available templates or design one from scratch. This time I'll add the blog page, which is an excellent idea to feature on a personal website. It lets you demonstrate your knowledge and expertise, connect with like-minded individuals, and help improve your website search engine ranking if the right strategies are used. Go to Pages and Navigation to manage your web pages. Click Add Page and choose a blog template. You can change the general page settings like name and navigation, page URL, and social image. You will see a few pre-generated posts that match your initial website description. Hover over an article and click Edit Post to tweak its content. Select a header element for the toolbar settings menu to pop up and choose Edit Header to customize the information you want to show. Click this eye icon to remove an element from the header. You can use these tabs to create your own blog header version if you want to change or add other items. Meanwhile, if the default header arrangement is already perfect for you, select this pencil icon to tweak the post title. Change the default title and description accordingly. You can also add an author by typing a name in this field. Then go to the Featured Image tab, click Replace Image, and upload your preferred image to display as a post excerpt. Don't forget to hit Save once you're done. Double-click any placeholder image to replace it and change its settings. Click Delete if you wish to remove it entirely. If you need help creating a blog draft, press AI Assist to access our AI Writer. Simply describe what you want to feature in the blog and it will generate some content for you. Then all you have to do is edit the text to add your own personal touch and your blog post is ready to publish. A clear and intuitive menu structure improves your site's overall user experience. It's essential to use precise navigation menu labels and arrange them logically, starting with the most important page. You can change the menu arrangement from Pages and Navigation. Simply drag a menu to your desired position and see how it changes on the header. If you want to hide a page you're still working on, drag it to the Hidden from Navigation section. Then customize the navigation menu spacing by clicking on the header element and selecting Edit Header. You can enable the sticky header option for it to stay at the top of the screen as your visitors scroll through. Changing the position will move the navigation menu where you prefer. Moreover, you can change its spacing and padding by simply dragging this option bar. Another important navigation element is the footer, as it contains your contact details. It will help your potential clients or collaborators get in touch quickly and hassle-free. Decorate the footer section by clicking Edit Section. You'll get to change its background and adjust the layout the way you want. Also, don't forget to change the contact information on your footer. Simply select the website element and choose Edit. Visual elements grab visitors' attention, create a memorable first impression, and convey information effectively. Well-chosen visuals can reinforce your personal brand and make your website stand out from the rest. It also plays a significant role in keeping users engaged. The AI-generated website already has images placed in strategic positions. You only need to tweak them to meet your specific requirements. Double-click on any picture you wish to edit, select Change Image, then Replace Image. Pick a photo by uploading it to the media library or go to the Free Images tab to browse a vast library of royalty-free images. And that's how you can customize the website. If you need a complete guide to creating a website with Hosting Your Website Builder, check out our detailed video tutorial. You'll find the link in the description below. After you're done editing, it's time to make your site go live. Click the preview button first and ensure everything is working correctly. See how your website will be displayed on desktop and mobile devices by clicking these icons. Note that changes in the mobile editor will not affect the desktop version. If everything is in order, hit the Go Live button in the top right corner. Completing this action will automatically create a backup of your site's files. Any changes you make to the site will be automatically saved as well. To see the previous versions of your site, hover over this menu and click See Available Backups. Now, access your website using the domain name and see how it looks. If anything is out of place, immediately adjust it using the site builder. Just make sure to click the Update Website button after making any changes. And there you have it! You just created your own personal website and established a strong online presence that stands out. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and don't hesitate to share your website creation journey in the comment section below. Make sure to subscribe to Hostinger Academy's YouTube channel for more website development tips like this one. As always, thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.